Now, a spoof website that pokes fun at Republican presidential candidate Mitt Romney's tax plan and blocks details of the policy has gone viral with over 500 likes on Facebook. Released by the Democratic Party, the web page turns the user's cursor into a red box called Get the Details, which cannot be clicked on and moves with the computer's mouse. The page has over 568,000 likes on Facebook.
It's the number 2 spot on Google for the search term Romney tax plan, and it's a website created by the Democratic National Committee to mock Mitt Romney. It's got Romney's logo at the top of the page and directs you to where to get details of Mitt Romney's tax plan. But try click on the button. Oops. Try again. Oops. Try again. Get it? The spoof website has over 500,000 likes on Facebook. In another dig, Romney's slogan has been rewritten to read, "I believe in half of America." A clear dig at the secret footage of the Republican candidate where he said that 47% of Americans who were subsidized by welfare did not want to take responsibility for their lives.
While behind the joke, there is a serious message. The Obama campaign has been criticizing the GOP ticket, saying that neither Mitt Romney nor his vice president, Paul Ryan, will give specifics about their $5 trillion tax plan, including the many tax loopholes they plan to close in order to increase revenue and cut the federal deficit. And clearly, the Obama campaign is listening and watching recent polls that show that social networking sites have an increasingly measurable effect in influencing Americans' political views. In New York, Sarah Jacob, NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.